action.
I have dived all my life and seen just how beautiful it is, and I would love for the next generation to be able to experience it too. Seakola Marine Biology Voyages are an unforgettable adventure. Students can learn and explore while building lifelong appreciation for the planet. Students learn in a fun and hands-on way to become actively responsible global citizens. And all that in the most beautiful seas in the world, here in Indonesia.
My name is Nicolas Cuvaras. I'm a freediving instructor with 30 years of experience. Here in Seakola, we want to empower young people to be safe in the water, but also confident to explore and research for the future of the oceans. Seakola!
Mantap, mantap, mantap!
As the great Dr. Sylvia Earle once said, knowing is the key to caring, and with caring, there is hope that people will be motivated to take positive actions. My name is Diandra, and I'm the founder of Seakola.